Students, today we will perform the test to determine the soundness of cement. Reason of unsoundness. Due to the excess of free lime and magnesia present in cement, flake very slowly and cause appreciable changes in volume after setting. In consequence, cracks, then distortion and disintegration result, thereby giving the passage to water and atmospheric gases, which may have injurious effect on concrete and reinforcement. This defect is known as unsoundness, but our cement should be sound. This is Le-Chatelier apparatus, which we are used to check the soundness of cement. We have two weights with it and two glass plate. The ring dia, here you can see that is 30 mm, and the thickness of that ring, that is 0.5 mm, and length is 165 mm from the center of the ring to the indicator endpoints. Water required to check the soundness of cement, that is equal to 0.78 into P. P is the standard consistency value. This water content required as per IS 4031 part 3 1988. This is the Le-Chatelier apparatus we have. Here you can see two weight also and two glass plates. So here we are taking the 100 gram cement. Accurately, we are measuring the weight of cement. That should be 100 gram. Here we are getting the 100 gram. Now we will add water, and that water content, that will be equal to 0.78 into P. So this is the water content which we are adding. Proper mix and making the paste. Now we are adding the paste into the ring of the Le-Chatelier apparatus, and after filling we are placing the glass plate above that and two weight above that. And now we need to place this sample into the water. We have to dip the sample into the water. So we collected the water in the tray and we are dipping here. And now after the 24 hours, we are placing the weight above that and taking the sample. And now we have to check the difference between the distance between the two indicators we have. Here we are checking the distance between the two indicators, and we are getting here the 2 centimeter. Now we need to put this sample into the water bathtub for 2 to 3 hours with the boiling temperature at 100 degrees centigrade. So here we are maintaining the temperature, that is 100 degrees centigrade. And after 2 to 3 hours, we need to take the sample and let it be cool. And after cooling, again we need to check the distance between the two indicators, and here we are getting 2.4. that is the final reading. The first one, that was the 2 centimeter. So the initial reading of indicator, that was 2 centimeter, and the final reading of indicator we are getting 2.4 centimeter. And the difference between these two reading, here we are getting 0.4 mm. It means our sample, that is sound, because the reading that should be less than 10 mm. If it is more than 10 mm, your sample, the cement, that will be unsound. Okay, thank you.